So, hey, Tara, how did you go after you launched when you had absolutely no one on your email list besides family?
Yep. So the launch first week went brilliantly. We had 10 sales. Like we had sales just come straight through. We knew there were a few people waiting, like just waiting, ready to buy. Second week, a little bit quieter. The last week I've been in Hamilton Island and I left some stock with Kate. So she's gone from being virtual assistant to physical assistant and fulfilling the orders and sold through all the stock that we left with her. So we had another really good week. And I was sitting in Hamilton Island drinking cocktails going, geez, I could get used to this.
No, but that's all the hard work you did beforehand. Not the hard work, the strategic work that you did beforehand.
Yeah, and we set the systems up. I did a handover with Kate, gave her a rundown and everything was seamless. So I was anxious going on holidays 3 weeks into launching. It wasn't ideal. But we made the decision just to launch anyway, because I didn't want to wait any longer. And it's all gone off without a hitch. So I did the handover again this morning with Kate. And yeah, it's all systems go. So it's all been very positive. I feel like we're on track and we've got a steady flow of orders coming in, which I think will just improve the more we pump into the marketing now ongoing. So
yeah, that's excellent.